Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a machine that already sits at the top of the performance world, but has been taken even further. This is the Porsche 911 Turbo S, upgraded with Techart parts, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. The Porsche 911 Turbo S doesn't really need an introduction. For decades, it has represented the perfect balance between everyday usability and supercar-level performance. It's a car that can comfortably cruise through city streets and then, with a slight press of the accelerator, unleash explosive power that rivals exotic hypercars. But for those who believe perfect can always be improved, Techart steps in. Techart is not just a tuning company, it's a Porsche specialist with a deep understanding of the brand's DNA. When Techart modifies a car, the goal isn't to change its identity, but to sharpen it, enhance it, and push it closer to the edge of what's possible. And with the 911 Turbo S, they've done exactly that. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the transformation becomes immediately obvious. Tecart's aerodynamic package gives the Turbo S a much more aggressive and purposeful stance. The front splitter is redesigned to improve downforce while giving the car a lower, wider look. Air intakes are reshaped to optimize airflow, not just for cooling, but also for stability at high speeds. Moving along the sides, the sculpted side skirts visually lower the car and improve aerodynamics by reducing turbulence. Every line feels intentional, every surface designed to work with the airflow rather than fight it. At the rear, the Techart diffuser and spoiler complete the look, adding both visual drama and real aerodynamic benefits. This isn't just about looking fast, it's about being fast. Then there are the wheels. Tecart's lightweight forged wheels are designed to reduce unsprung mass, which improves handling, braking, and overall driving feel. Wrapped in high-performance tires, they give the Turbo S incredible grip, whether you're launching from a standstill or carving through high-speed corners. Under the hood, the Porsche 911 Turbo S is already a monster. With its twin turbocharged flat-6 engine producing immense power straight from the factory, it's one of the quickest production cars in the world. But Techart takes things further. Through refined engine tuning, power output is increased, throttle response is sharpened, and acceleration becomes even more brutal. The result is a car that feels instantly alive. Press the throttle, and the response is immediate. There's no hesitation, no delay, just relentless forward motion. The all-wheel drive system works seamlessly with the added power, delivering maximum traction even under hard launches. 0 to 60 times become almost unbelievable, pushing the limits of what feels physically possible in a road car. The exhaust system deserves special attention. Techart offers a high-performance exhaust that not only improves airflow but completely transforms the sound of the Turbo S. At low speeds, it remains refined and controlled, perfect for daily driving. But open it up, and the flat-6 engine roars with a deep, aggressive tone that sends chills down your spine. It's a sound that reminds you this car means serious business. Inside the cabin, Tecart's philosophy remains the same: enhance without overpowering. The interior upgrades are subtle yet luxurious. Premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and custom stitching elevate the cabin to a new level of exclusivity. Everything feels handcrafted, tailored to the driver, and unmistakably high-end. The steering wheel may feature Tecart's signature carbon or Alcantara finish, improving grip and adding a motorsport-inspired touch. Pedals, trim pieces, and even small details are reworked to remind you that this isn't a standard Turbo S. It's something special, something personal. Despite all these upgrades, the car never loses its everyday usability. That's what makes this setup so impressive. You can drive it to work, take it on long highway journeys, or use it as a daily driver without sacrificing comfort. Yet at any moment, it's ready to transform into a hyper-performance weapon. On the road, the Techart enhanced 911 Turbo S feels incredibly planted. The suspension tuning strikes a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Body roll is minimal, steering is razor-sharp, and the car inspires confidence even at very high speeds. It's the kind of car that makes you feel like a better driver than you actually are. Braking performance remains exceptional, with massive brakes that deliver consistent stopping power even after aggressive driving. Everything works together in harmony: the engine, the chassis, the aerodynamics, and the drivetrain, creating a driving experience that feels both controlled and thrilling. What truly sets this car apart is its character. It's not loud for the sake of being loud. It's not extreme just to grab attention. Instead, it's a refined, precision-engineered machine that rewards those who appreciate performance, quality, and attention to detail. In a world where many supercars sacrifice practicality for speed, the Porsche 911 Turbo S with Techart parts stands as a rare exception. It offers insane performance, stunning looks, luxurious comfort, and everyday reliability, all in one package. This is a car for enthusiasts who want it all: speed, style, sound, and substance. A machine that can dominate the track, destroy drag races, and still feel perfectly at home on public roads. So if you ever wondered what happens when German engineering meets German precision tuning, this is the answer. The Porsche 911 Turbo S with Techart parts isn't just an upgrade, it's an evolution, and once you experience it, there's no going back. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of this ultimate 911 build. See you in the next one.